everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a product-specific discount in Grigora. Let's understand how to set this up, step by step. First, head over to your Grigora site dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Commerce, and then select Products. Next, select the specific product where you want to add the discount code. Once the product is open, click on the Sections option. Here, click on Discount Strip and turn on the toggle for Show Discount Strip on Product page. Now, enter your desired code name in the provided field. After that, input the discount amount in the % off field and set an expiry date for your code. Next, click on the Apply Mode setting to choose how the discount is applied. You can select either manual or auto. Finally, click on the Save Product button to apply your changes. Now, if we visit our store and locate that specific product, we can see that the code is successfully displayed. And that's it! Your discount code is now successfully added to that specific product. See you in the next one.